Welcome back, guys. In this video, we are going to check out some game consoles gadget that literally everyone is buying from. Gadgets that are really handy for gaming tasks. These are Amazon's most viral smart game consoles. You must see, and like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. The wireless retro game console is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern convenience. Designed for fans of classic video games, it brings back the beloved titles of the 80s and 90s like Super Mario, Contra, Street Fighter, and Sonic the Hedgehog without the hassle of tangled cords or outdated hardware. This compact device connects wirelessly to your TV via HDMI and comes with wireless controllers, allowing you to play from the comfort of your couch. Many models come preloaded with hundreds, sometimes thousands of classic games from consoles like NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, and more. It's plug-and-play, easy to set up, and doesn't require internet access for gameplay. The Miyoo Mini Plus Retro Gaming Console is a compact, feature-rich handheld device designed for retro gaming enthusiasts. It offers a blend of portability, performance, and style, making it a popular choice for those looking to relive classic gaming experiences on the go. The Miyoo Mini Plus delivers smooth performance for most retro games with a particular strength in 2D titles. While it can handle some 3D games, its performance may vary depending on the complexity of the title. The bad goal to the 2025 new retro game console is a plug-and-play gaming device designed to bring classic video games into the modern era. With over 20,000 pre-installed games and support for 23 emulators, it offers a vast library of titles spanning various retro gaming systems. The console connects to your TV via 4K HDMI, providing enhanced visuals for a nostalgic gaming experience. The bad goal to the 2025 new retro game console offers a comprehensive and convenient solution for retro gaming enthusiasts. With its extensive game library, multiple emulators, and modern connectivity options, it provides an accessible way to enjoy classic games on contemporary displays. The RG4OXXH handheld game console is a compact yet powerful retro gaming device designed for enthusiasts seeking a blend of portability and performance. Manufactured by Anbernic, this console is tailored for those who appreciate classic gaming experiences on the go. The RG40XH boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, available in multiple colors including black, gray, and blue. Its compact form factor ensures portability, making it ideal for gaming on the move. The device also features customizable RGB lighting effects on the joystick. The V40 Max Retro Handheld Game Console is a modern take on classic gaming, offering a blend of portability, performance, and an extensive game library. Designed for retro gaming enthusiasts, it provides an immersive experience reminiscent of 80s and 90s handheld consoles while incorporating contemporary features. Its support for various emulators ensures compatibility with a wide range of retro games, providing a nostalgic gaming experience.